For the longest time now, I've been trying to find the perfect Marty McFly jacket from Back to the Future Part 2. Recently, I found on halloweencostumes.com this, they call authentic Marty McFly jacket. I really wanted to see, I've looked for videos, unboxing videos here on YouTube, but I didn't find something that was like right out of the box, you know. I just saw a few videos, it seemed really well made, but I really wanted to see out of the box where and how it came in more detail. Okay, so I'm gonna look on their website here, and halloweencostumes.com. They have two options. One is a really cheap one. It looks a lot simpler, and it's $64.99. And the official, they call it authentic Marty McFly jacket costume. It was $199 and it's right now $110. It came in a big box, and I think halloweencostumes.com or fun.com should be the same website. I'm not sure, but yeah, I actually bought two things there. I bought the authentic Marty McFly jacket, and I also bought this female, like women's Marty McFly. This was on sale as well. So this is what I wanted to see. How did it come out of the box? So it comes in this plastic bag. Let's open and see. Get it out here. And yeah, you can tell right away that it's really well made. Like, the material is just, it's premium. It's very, very good. This part here, it's very well made. Like this black part, it's a very unique material. I like it very much. Let's see. The problem here is that it comes all wrinkled up. Okay, so could find a better way to show here, but oh boy, I'm a little confused. Wow, it's heavy. It's definitely very heavy. This is the size small. Gonna try it on. I know it's gonna be very big on me. It smells like fish food. I'm not joking. It smells like fish food. I know it's super big on me. Like, it's super large. They only have it men's size. So this is the smallest I could get. Still very big. I love it though. Now I just need to figure out the buttons here. The pocket is not supposed to be like this. See, this is why I wanted to see a video like this, like out of the box. See, this is weird. Why would they do this? I feel like this is not screen accurate. The one in the movie was a little more orange color. This is red. Like, this is red. My shirt is red. This is super red. And I feel like the one in the movie was a little more orange. Yeah, the jacket itself has more of a orangey tone, and this is definitely red. And it's not the same material either. A few details that I can spot right away. This here, they are black. They're not gray. So this is what I'll be doing for sure. I'll be painting them black. And the sleeves, the accordion sleeves, they came all wrinkled up. There's not a way to pack this if not wrinkling the sleeves. And these sleeves, they are plastic. They are made out of plastic in the original one, and I understand that it couldn't, like, it would be weird to wear plastic and to have that would maybe be a little uncomfortable. So this is close enough. Honestly, I couldn't see anything better than this to represent the plastic in the jacket here. Oh wait, this... You know what's weird? You know what? I'm not sure if it's a problem with my jacket, but... Oh no. Maybe not. Because both sides are like this. It has an inner, like a lining in here. And I'll put my hand in. So there's the lining. Okay. But the lining stops right here. From here until here, there's no lining. And I'll prove you that. It looks like it does. But... see, it's completely sewn in here, and then from here to here, there's no lining. The lining is all loose here inside the shirt, like it's inside the jacket. This is weird. And then from here to here, no lining whatsoever. This is really strange. I'm not sure if it's just with my jacket or if they are all like this. Anyways, the reason they call this the authentic Marty Mcfly jacket, this. So it has a sound chip and it makes two sounds. So the one on top is to activate the drying mode, and the one at the bottom is to adjust the size. You know what? I'm thinking now, maybe the lining doesn't go all the way to the cuffs because like, it extends, right? So you can potentially just extend the whole sleeve. Oh my god. You can potentially do this. So if there was a lining, it would be all like, weird inside. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how I feel about this. So definitely it's not, I don't think it's a problem with my jacket anymore. Now thinking about this fabric here is fantastic. Look at that. Like, I love that it's got a different texture. It's something that I would imagine to be a fabric from the future. Same for this. This material is something that I would imagine to be very futuristic as well. I'll definitely have to paint these gray sleeve parts here in black to make it better. I'll definitely have to work on the wrinkled sleeves here, on the accordion sleeves. I don't know, I kind of feel like there's something wrong with these pockets. Okay, so it's been a few hours since I filmed that other part of the video, but I did figure out kind of how the pockets go. So the way I had done it, this little black plastic was not showing up. I put it on top of the black part, and I saw in pictures that this actually is supposed to be visible. So the pocket here, well, so it has this plastic thing. I just put the button down. So there's the button part inside. I'll just clip it in. I'm not sure why this is like this. And then this plastic has to be showing there. And now I found these magnets I got them at the dollar store. The idea would be have it here and this coming and just there. I cut the strip off the foam, just cracked foam. I'm gonna get the magnet, just measure here, kind of get the shape of it, and just there, and cut it down. I'm gonna glue this part. Oh, this is a lot better. Like, I like this a lot. Yeah, I like it a lot better now. Honestly, I love the pockets, they lay flat. I like it. Like, it's not terrible. And it just sits flat, and it's got a weight to it too. I also painted these buttons on the sleeves. And I used nail polish. Oh, it's shiny. I like that. Love it. It's a very good product. Congratulations, halloweencostumes.com. I love it. These minor adjustments that I had to do, honestly, they're nothing because the whole thing is very well made. It's very nice. I love it. I honestly love it. I don't think you can find something better than this for $100. This is amazing. I love it. Now I think I'm gonna cosplay as Marty Mcfly at the Edmonton Expo this year. Before that, I have to do a few adjustments on my Air Mags and my hoverboard. But yeah, this is it. And